can hear all the way up top. Beautiful view up there. They're watching from up top. You probably can see the moon bumps up there a little bit too. You can see all the way from after they leave the school and come back into the track. Pretty neat. Awesome, awesome. That's about 12.2 miles of racetrack, and it's really